boxes are an ideal solution for organising around the home, or maybe in your loft or garage, which I don't have, office, workplace, or any general storage application.
Now, the semi-transparent box is really useful for visibility of items stored in them. Now, the boxes are also fully stackable when in use, as you can see here, but also they boast tapered sides, allowing neat, secure nesting when the boxes are not in use, which I'm going to show you now, guys. So, as you can see, if I pop that one down here, take the lid off. The lids also fit really nicely in storage, and then you can just slide that in. Look at that, so neat, so tidy.
Satisfying slide, isn't it? The lids have a clip lock as well, which means that your contents are kept free from moisture and dust if you're going to be storing things for a long period of time.
Now, the boxes are made from virgin polypropylene and the lids are manufactured from recycled material. The inside of the boxes are also lovely and smooth, so really simple to clean.